feet up on the dash, and the calling open road trip classics on the radio. With your hand tied in mine, there's no such thing as time. Now we can go anywhere you wanna go.
Good morning vlog, happy vlog week day 2. It's Tuesday morning. I just got done at Hotworks. I did a hot Pilates class this morning. I'm super sweaty and hot. I haven't been going as much to Hotworks in the last couple of weeks. I have like a 3-month membership, and so I'm trying to go more throughout the week so I can utilize that membership, and so I'm not paying for no reason. But I don't know, I've just been more into doing cardio recently, so I haven't been going as much, but I did Pilates today. I do cardio on Tuesdays, but I'll probably go for like a little walk later or something. I just like doing Pilates, especially in the sauna. It feels so good. But welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Cait. I'm doing vlog week this week, so I'm posting a vlog every single day for 5 days. So it's gonna be a fun time. But it's only 8:54 now. I really wanted to do an early workout class and then go to Trader Joe's right after, because I have to go to the store. And I like going when it like just opens and there's like nobody there. It's so easy to go in, get out, and get everything that I need. So we're gonna head over there right now. I have my list on my phone, not too much, but just the usual stuff. I really wanna get flowers, and yeah. So let's go to Trader Joe's. I feel like my hair is messy right now, but it's whatever. Let's go to the store, get some groceries, and then we'll go back home and get started with the day.
Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you. With you. Sunlight fades away and you fall into my arms. This life is not the same.
Just got back and laid everything out to do a little haul. First off, I got some multi-grain crackers. I love to have these with cheese, but now that I think of it, I forgot to get little cheese slices. But they're also good with like hummus and stuff like that, so I got those. My favorite pretzels. I got some pitted dates to do like almond butter and chocolate chips for a little sweet snack, and I haven't had dates in so long, so I figured I would pick those up. I got some pasta, always good to have, some sourdough bread, rolled oats. I want to make these little energy bite things that I used to make, and they require oats, so I wanted to get more of those. I got a few salad dressings because I don't have any in my fridge right now. I got Italian, and then this one is toasted sesame. That one sounds really good. And then I got this glaze. I always see this when I'm in Trader Joe's and I never get it, but this would be really good with like avocado toast. I got some bananas, shredded carrots, lettuce, peppers to do salad, raspberries, strawberries, broccoli, green beans. I got a zucchini to cook, hummus, some avocados, lemons. These, oh my gosh, are my favorite, one of my favorite desserts at Trader Joe's, the mango cream bars. I should have got 2 boxes because they're so yummy and I go through them so quickly. So I got those. I went to Tate like a couple weeks ago and I got sourdough bread, and it had like goat cheese on it with roasted tomatoes. It was so good. So I got this to put on the sourdough bread. And then lastly, I just got some eggs. And for flowers, I picked up hydrangeas. These are so pretty for summer. And then these are like the little tiny roses. I don't know which ones I want to have on the coffee table yet and which ones I want to have on the island. I kind of want to have the hydrangeas in the living room. I feel like that would be pretty. But I'm going to put all of this away, organize my fridge and everything like that, put the flowers in a vase and make everything look nice.
If you follow me tonight, I'll walk with you for life, and we can go anywhere you wanna go. there's no place we can't go. Ooh, my home is when I'm alone with you.
It's been a little bit. I'm all showered now, got dressed. I have on brandy sweats and then a little Skims tank, my comfy slippers. I just finished up a lot of computer work, so I'm gonna make some lunch right now. Getting hungry. I'm gonna do a salad, and then I have some chicken that I made from yesterday, but I just have the romaine. I'm gonna do shredded carrots and some peppers, and then the toasted sesame dressing. Also, there's been a dog barking. I don't know what apartment it's coming from, but a month ago I noticed that someone's dog like kept barking so much throughout the day, and it was so loud. It almost sounds like it's the one next to me, but I could have sworn that the apartment right next door to me is just for show. Like, they have it set up with furniture just to show people around. That's actually the one that I toured when I toured this apartment, but I think people live there now, which it's so weird because I tried to move in that apartment and they said that it's not available because it's the one for show, but now I think people live in there. But the dog, it's like giving me trauma because at my last apartment, people on my floor had a little dog and it would bark all day long. Like, I'm not even joking you. I had to leave a note under their door because it was so bad. And even after I did that, nothing got done. So I'm like, oh my gosh, please do not let this be another scenario where the dog just barks all day long, because it's so hard to concentrate and it's so loud. But it stopped now, so hopefully it doesn't keep going. But I was like, oh my gosh, please do not let another dog just ruin my daily life of living in my apartment because it's so loud. But I'm gonna cut up my pepper and make my salad. This looks so yummy. I just did the chicken on the stove yesterday in a pan with some oil, butter, and then I did the ranch seasoning from Trader Joe's and then something else. I forget. I think it was like the chili lime one, or maybe, I don't know, something else. But this looks so yummy. It smells so good. Dressing, 10 out of 10, really good. So I'm gonna finish my lunch and I will see you guys in a bit. It's 2:30 right now. I'm actually just chilling in my bed. I was just doing some computer work and now I'm looking at dressers because I still don't have a dresser for my room, and it really bothers me that this wall is just blank. And I have like all of my clothes in my closet, and I have these like cube things. I'll actually show you so you know what I'm talking about. But I have these little cube things that I got from Target, and I have two of them. I have one right here and then one over here. And like the rest of my clothes are all hung up, but it's just annoying not having a dresser. And I actually got rid of my old dresser last year. It was like a white one, but I'm in the search for a new one, and I like can't stop thinking about this one from Pottery Barn. It's the Sausalito, I think is how you say it, 8-drawer dresser. It's so beautiful. It's stunning. I've had my eyes on this dresser for so long, and I like try to find dupes for it because obviously it's not cheap. It's $2,100, $2,200 basically, but I can't find like any good dupes for this, and I just love the finish of it. I love the look of it. Like, it's so beautiful. I can't stop thinking about it. There was this other one from Urban Outfitters too that I was looking at, but I'm not as into it. This is the one from Urban Outfitters. It doesn't match as well with my room, I feel like, but I really like the style of it. I love the color of the wood, but I feel like it's a little bit too dark, and I don't want to spend $900 if I'm not like in love with it. Obviously the price is a lot cheaper, and that makes me feel better, but like, I don't know, I'm just not as into it as this one from Pottery Barn. Like, the shade of this is so perfect, and I feel like it would match really well with my nightstand, and I just love the detailing. I love like the little drawers on the top. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna think about it for a while because it's pretty pricey, but like, it's so beautiful. I can't get over it, and I know so many other people are obsessed with this as well, because I was trying to look for so many dupes, and there's like so many like LTK posts and just people raving about this dresser. So I'm gonna bookmark this and just keep it in the back of my mind because it's so beautiful. I will link it down below if you're interested. It's like one of the last things I need in my apartment as well as a dresser. Another thing too is that Pottery Barn has really good quality pieces, so I know if I'm spending this amount of money, this will last me a long time, and that's what I'm like planning on doing, is having this for quite a while, like not just for this apartment. So I don't know, we'll think about it, but I was just looking at dressers because I really need to get one and finish my apartment. I just made my little date treat things. I'm gonna pop them in the fridge, and they're just like a nice sweet snack to have throughout the week. And I also top them off with Himalayan salt. They probably would be better with sea salt, but that's all I had. But how good do these look? They're like the best quick snack to make, and especially if you have a sweet tooth like me. So I'm gonna put these in the fridge, and they're gonna be so yummy to have throughout the week. I'm gonna go for a walk right now though. It's 3:40, and since I didn't do any cardio today, since today's my cardio day, I just want to get some steps in. And also it's a nice way to get out of the apartment and get fresh air, even though it's so humid outside. I don't think it's that hot, it's just very humid today. It's been humid all week because it's been rainy and gross, but I love going for my little walks. They just help me clear my mind and just get outside and not look at the same four walls all day. So I'm just putting on my sneakers, and then I might go bike riding later today in Harvard Square, I think. My friend found this cute place to go bike riding, and I love riding like the city bikes in the summertime. It's so fun, even though sometimes it gives me anxiety going on the bikes because I don't know, just like people driving, I always feel like someone's gonna hit me, although I don't think it's like on the street. I think it's a little trail or something, which makes me feel better. But if you have city bikes near you, or like the blue bikes, definitely go on them. They're so fun. I just put on a sports bra underneath the same tank top I was already wearing, and then I just have on some biker shorts from Aritzia, and then I just tied a sweatshirt around my waist because I don't know if it's gonna rain. It looks like it will, but it's from Chamberlain Coffee. I love this shade of green, by the way. And then I just have on my Adidas Pure Boost, I think they're called. I forget what they're called, but they're so comfy. I will have them linked. So that's my little walking fit, but let's go get some steps in.
When the sun goes down, we could walk this autumn town, find a place to be alone, look into your eyes, feeling bothered.
Hi vlog, it's so much later. I think it's like 9 o'clock right now. I'm so tired. I can't wait to go to bed right now. I need to wash my face, do my skincare, get ready for bed. I didn't end up going on a bike ride with my friend. We just kind of walked around Cambridge because the blue bike wasn't working. Like, we were putting in our cards and it wasn't accepting the payment, and I'm someone who's very superstitious, and I'm like, I'm taking this as a sign that we shouldn't go on a bike ride and like something bad will happen, which is probably not a good way to go about life. But I don't know, I just get so nervous with bikes because a couple years ago my other friend told me a story about how she was at dinner or something. She was sitting outside in Boston and she actually saw someone get hit by a car who was on a bike in the street, and from then on, like, I'm just so nervous to go on bike rides, especially like in the city with a bunch of people around, a bunch of cars, I don't know. So we just walked, and I'm so tired because before that I was walking around my apartment, as you guys saw, so I'm very tired right now. I can't wait to go to bed, so I'm gonna wash my face, do my skincare, and get into bed for the night. I was gonna take a shower too because I feel kind of sweaty and I feel like I smell, but I honestly just don't have the energy to go in the shower right now. So I'm just gonna put some dry shampoo in my hair and spray myself with perfume or something because I'm way too tired to shower. But I'm very excited because I'm getting my hair cut tomorrow and I can't wait. It's been so long. I think the last time I got a cut was in January, and I'm not someone who gets their hair cut very frequently. I usually just wait until my hair feels like it needs a cut and I have dead ends and like all my bangs are grown out. So I'm pretty sure the last time I went was January or like the beginning of February. So I can't wait. My hairdresser always does such an amazing job and I can't wait to see her and catch up with her. So I'm excited to get this rat's nest cut. I always take a cotton pad and use micellar water, by the way, after I wash my face. Like, I didn't even wear any makeup today and look at what's on there. Like, that's so disgusting. It could be my sunscreen though or something, I don't know, or just my skincare, but I always make sure to do this after I cleanse because cleanser never takes all of my makeup and my skincare off. And this is like my favorite micellar water. I've been using this for years. Alright, I'm just gonna put in this dry shampoo from Living Proof. It's the Advanced Clean Dry Shampoo. I don't know why I put my hair back up, just for my hair to smell clean, because I just washed my pillowcases and my bed sheets yesterday, so I hate going into my bed feeling sweaty, but like I said, I'm just too tired to go in the shower right now. And I still have to edit so I can get this video up for you guys tomorrow. I'm just making some tea right now before bed. I'm using the bedtime tea from Yogi. And I'm laughing at this mug. My Nana got me this for Christmas this past Christmas, and I think it's so funny. I'm also gonna throw in some honey in there as well. I always love the little sayings on them. I'm gonna get into bed and start editing, drink my tea, do all my journals, and all of that fun stuff. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I will see you guys in the morning.
We could dance under the stars, fall into each other's arms. Nowhere else we need to be, just you.